line itself and also service and product, but at the same time, you can understand how it can improve the user's experience, enhance the user's experience, and also how can it be the tool of marketing, and also how can make companies can think of the marketing activities through this line platform. It doesn't work, so I need to verify. Okay, I see. Okay, let me just briefly introduce the Line service itself. It's a very basically a communication tool, free call and also free chat. So this is like very basically you can download it through the smartphone platform and you register it and then you can use it. You can make your lots of friends through the platform and communicate with your friends. Chatting, messages basically, and also the free call as well. Service feature, free messages, and also you can make a group chat with your friends, and free voice calling, especially through the Wi-Fi environment. You can easily make a phone call to your friends and talk. And also lots of features that you can share with your friends. Photos, videos, and audio messages, and so on. All right, so it's a multi-device based, so PC and also tablet and also smartphone. So whatever you have, like PC at home or maybe smartphone with your MRT station or tablet PC. So it's more convenient for you to consume lots of service features and data and contents through a Line platform. And also it's not just for iOS and Android, but also it provides a BlackBerry-based platform and also the Windows phone as well. And more applications on the Line brand name. We provide tons of applications through this, under this brand name. Yeah, one good thing is with your Line is that you can play games with your friends anywhere, anytime, easy. So like 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, you can download any kinds of social games through your smartphone or tablet PC, and you can invite your friends to compete each other, and you can send your highest score. So Line Pop and also other series of Line social games, they are on the platform, and you can consume lots of different games with your friends. So Line Pop, as of now, 3 million downloads in a day, and also 10 million downloads in 12 days, and ranked #1 in top free application chart in 11 countries. It's getting very popular in many different countries, especially Southeast Asia. I know that many of you already played this game. So top iOS publishers by downloads reported by App Annie, one of the app application intelligence unit. NHN with the Line platform ranked as #9 globally. And also in terms of the service involvement, time to reach 100 million users for the past months. Line actually took 19 months only to reach this number. So compared to the other global services, Twitter or Facebook, Line is growing very fast globally. And this is an article from Wall Street Journal in US and also in Asia Pacific. So it highlights Line's achievements and also Line's future. And also Line, as a non-game application by revenue, is the #1 globally. Also reported by App Annie. So once again, today's question is innovative strategies to engage customer loyalty and enhance brand engagement. So Line social platform actually provide different service features for users, and how does it help companies to promote companies' strategies or marketing activities, promotions, activities, things like that? We can find more. Eat, pray, and love. So this is a very famous film title. I would say with the line, chat, call, love. So chatting, calling, and loving. One of the key features with the line is the stickers. Fun communication way, it is one way of a fun communication through line. So you can find out lots of stickers, funny appearances or funny faces, but at the same time, it exactly provides you the thing that you want to deliver to your friends or your family. And also, we do have major characters: Brown, Connie, Moon, and James. So application, Line is basically the application service for users, but the different thing is that we create our own characters, and also we create our own story on top of it. So users can experience more lifestyle related services. We do have a sticker shop, so users can download after paying. And this is a very famous Psy Gangnam Style stickers. You can purchase this sticker through the online platform. So one of the key features, as I mentioned earlier, story itself is very important. Anybody can develop different types of applications for users. But on top of it, you also need to think about how to make your users get engaged into this platform and also to enhance the life richness. So story is one of the key things that you need to consider. So for example,
Na 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 na.
all right, so you do the same experience, right?
Line.
So if you encounter this kind of awkward situation, how to run away? This is a good way to run away. Line pop arts in Taiwan, Hong Kong, and some other countries, these are very popular. And also, this is one good example of a photo. Very cute, right? And we do not ask them to do this. They voluntarily do this because it's really such a fun. And also, they can deliver lots of life richness. So story within this line is very important. So you can see two simple stories. Because of the time constraints, I will go through very quickly. Brown and Con is a secret date. Shopping. It's every woman's story, right? And man, they have to pay. So Brown looks but Connie looks very happy. Okay, delivery service. That's man's duty. And such a romance. Right, and also another story. Young people, they have a big problem after graduating from the university. Job hunting, right? Getting up in the morning, but actually this guy getting up at 2:37 p.m. Very late. And what happens? At home, nothing in a refrigerator. Poor guy. Advice from his colleague or friends. So the guy is leaving after cheering him up. And daddy, the father, is get angry. So what shall I do? Job hunting. So, okay, one by one. Searching for job opportunities. Job interview. Very desperate. And finally, he got a job. So within this line application, you can use lots of stickers, and also you can find out your own story, maybe. So users engage themselves into this story. They think this is their real story. So this is very important for the social platform. Right. This is what I want to explain about that question. So corporate companies, they do have several ways to utilize this line platform. For example, here, I'd like to introduce two different tools first. The first one is Line official account, and the other one is Line sponsored stickers. Actually, stickers are what users really fond of using. And after this, with the sponsorship program, companies can actually provide free stickers for users. Companies pay for users instead. And then users can consume different stickers, and also they can receive lots of information and data. So this is an example of official account. So within the friends list, users can accept the friend request, and then users can regularly receive the information, data, or any promotional the messages from the companies. Then the user can enjoy discount or maybe meaningful information for future purchasing, things like that. So here is an example of the coupon by a Japanese company. So they utilize this line platform, and they open an official account for the company. So users, once they're accepting this list, then they can receive the coupon, discount, and information for their future shopping and consumption. And on-air is another good function for two-way communication tool. So through this on-air function, companies actually can provide different types of information, and also at the same time can communicate with each different individual user through this tool. And sponsored stickers are very hot topics for corporate companies. So different companies, they do have their own logo or maybe animations, things like that, and they would like to enhance its features and upload it onto the Line platform. Then users can freely download it and can use it through the daily conversation with friends and family members. So that is how corporate companies can expose their own brand awareness to the users. Thai Airways, it's a very good example for the sponsored stickers and official accounts. As of today, they do have 3.5 million followers. with the official account, and also they provide a free of charge sponsored stickers for users in Thailand. So they do have a very strategically approach to Line, and they created their own services, official accounts, and also sponsored stickers. It's been very, very successful. So Thai Airways actually they define this as a very strategically successful marketing story within the Thai Air Group. Line Camera is also another family app, and through these, the corporate companies they can actually provide the stickers as well. So for example, users can take a photo, and using the sponsored stickers, they can decorate. Very cute. So users very, very naturally get themselves exposed to the brand, corporate company's brand. So this is a very natural marketing tool for the corporate companies.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Sexy lady. Sexy lady. Sexy lady. Oppan Gangnam Style.
So this is a collaboration of Gangnam Style and Line Style. So Line's journey continues, and we will develop lots of different features for users in Malaysia too. So please provide any feedback you have. Then we will try to do our best for Malaysian users as well. Thank you so much.
That is wonderful, Kang. Thank you so much. And nothing like Sai to wake us up. Now, any questions for Kang? Yes, Anuj. Can we have the microphone, please? We'll just pass on.
It sure was very interesting. Could you elaborate on the Thai Airways program a bit to understand the modality? Because it seemed that they had a co-branded approach with line characters, or they developed new stickers, and how it was disseminated to reach the numbers that you just told us.
Thai Airways, basically, they understand the Line platform is very popular among Thai users. So they decided to create Thai Airways stickers. And also they decided to open an official account of Thai Airways in Thai market. So they purchased the Thai Airways official account in Thailand. So through the official account, Thai Airways can promote lots of different packages and also the coupons, air flight tickets, things like that. And also useful information about backpacking trip or a group trip, things like that. And at the same time, they also create their own stickers, very cute stewardess and the driver. So different types of stickers, they upload it onto the Line platform after enhancing the sticker quality. And then users, once they download it for free of, then they can use those stickers through the conversation with friends or family members. So that is a good way of marketing exposure to enhance the brand awareness for users in Thai market.
A quick show of hands. How many of us in this auditorium have used Line? That's very impressive.
Thank you so much.
That's very impressive. Look at that smile on his face. Now, how many of you are on Facebook? Raise your hands. Facebook. So obviously everyone, right? So
on behalf of Facebook, thank you very much.
So my next question to you was, I think about some 50% of them raised their hands for Line, near 99% for Facebook. So is there a way where you've integrated the API, Line API with Facebook and Twitter so that anybody with just an account on Facebook or Twitter can immediately use Line. Is that something that you've experimented?
Well, Line is basically an independent application tool. So users anywhere in the world, they can download the Line application through the platform, and then they can use independently. But at the same time, we see that many users, they also consume lots of contents or service features through other services as well.
Right, right. Like, for example, Pinterest grew up to be really big by piggybacking on Facebook. So that was my question. So your answer is no.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, got it. Thank you so much. Really appreciate
Thank you.
it. Thank you. So our next speaker is Pradeep Chopra. So let me tell you this. The toughest engineering school in India, the toughest, is Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, by far. And this guy made it through that and got into textile engineering. Then after that, completely moved away from that field and jumped straight into the digital field as early as about in the late 1990s. And ever since, he's grown on to be one of the most well-known, well-respected digital gurus, digital advocates in India. Somebody who's done lots of training, who's helped CXOs really get a better understanding of digital. And Pradeep, thank you so much for coming in. Over to you.
Thanks, Kiruba. I think we couldn't have asked for a better moderator after the lunch. Great. So thanks, Kang. Thanks, Zubair, for creating the context. So by now, how many of you believe that or think that listening is the key to success on social media? Like you have been hearing about this, now you believe. I have a request. For this session and for rest of the work, this conference, don't use that as an excuse to not speak. So don't just listen, right? The value you will get is a function of you speaking as well, right? So what I'm going to do is, I'll be sharing some interesting examples where brands have used customer loyalty and brand engagement to grow, right? This is one very interesting quote from this book called Flip the Funnel, which says, while only 20% of the marketing budgets are typically spent on retention, over 75% of revenue comes from existing customers. So really, if you want to grow your business, existing customers are your best bet. Doesn't mean that you don't acquire new customers. And if you look at the opportunity of social media is really to build and deepen your relationship with the customers so that through them, you can get more revenue from them, and through them, you can get more customers, right? So the opportunity of engagement as well as customer loyalty is, one is it helps you acquire new customers. Even more important,